Okay, so my chicken is now sort of cooked. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add over the top of it some of this teriyaki sauce. Okay. Doesn't matter if we miss, it goes in a pan, because what we're going to do now is to make sure it's all nicely coated in the teriyaki sauce. We're just obviously going to keep turning it around in that, and we will then continue to cook it for a little bit to get all that nice teriyaki or yaki, or however you pronounce it, flavour. I'm missing some of that one. Infused into the chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to carry on letting that cook like that. I should keep stirring it in a bit, keep mixing it in, and that's it. Then we'll transfer that to a plate and we'll just let that cool. And that will be some teriyaki chicken strips to go into sushi rolls later on.